The reproductive cycle of a mare is also known as estrus cycle, is a fascinating and important process for horse breeder and owners to understand. Just like other mammals, mare goes through hormonal changes that prepare them for breeding. But what makes mare unique is that they are seasonal breeders. Their cycle are influenced by the length of daylight. Typically, mare cycle during spring and summer, when the days are longer and they stop cycling during the dark winter month. Now let's break down the stages of the estrus cycle. The entire cycle averages around 21 days, and it can be divided into two main phases. Estrus, which is when the mare is in heat and respective to a stallion, and diestrus, when mare is out of heat and not respective. During estrus, which lasts about 4 to 7 days, the mare's body is preparing for evolution. This is the fertile period, and you can notice often behavioral and physical signs. A mare in heat may display restlessness, frequent urination, raising her tail, or even winking of the vulva. She may also show more affection and interact for stallion or even other horses nearby. These are nature signals that she is ready to breed. Ovulation usually happens towards end of estrus, when the follicle release eggs. Timing is crucial here for successful breeding, which is why horse breeders often use careful observation or veterinary ultrasound to track when evolution will occur. When evolution takes place, the mare moves towards diestrus, which lasts about 14 to 15 days. During this, her behavior changes noticeably. She becomes less tolerant, may pin her ears, kick or avoid stallion altogether. This is her way of saying she is no longer receptive. Internally, the corpus luteum forms on the ovary, producing progesterone, the hormone that maintains pregnancy if conception has occurred. If the mare does not become pregnant, the corpus luteum breaks down. Near the end of the estrus, progesterone never drops and the cycle begins again. But if she is pregnant, progesterone continues to support the developing foal, and her cycle stops for the rest of gestation. It's also important to mention the transitional phase that occurs in early spring. A daylight increases. Mares shift from winter and estrus, a period with no cycling, into a regular cycle. During this transitional time, their cycle can be irregular and fertility is often low until they fully settle into normal cycle. For horse owner and breeder, recognizing the sign of heat and understanding the stages of the cycle is essential to understand. It helps in planning breeding, managing behavior, and ensuring the health of both mare and foal. In summary, the estrus cycle in mare is carefully timed, seasonal process. With an average of 21 days, it moves through estrus. Evolution and diestrus all controlled by hormones and daylight. By paying attention to the physical signs and understanding the biology, we can work in harmony with the mare's natural rhythm. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.